Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the set PDF details in the memory media print on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the home, now select the menu, and here go over to function settings. Here in the store and access files, we have the common settings, and then we have the access stored file settings. So now let's go to default settings of the memory media print, and here we have the set PDF details, and we can click on it. Here we have everything like the brightness, N01, print range. We can also enlarge or reduce to fit the paper size, and we can also enlarge the print area. So here we also have the print comments and line refinement. As you guys can see, we can disable it or keep it on auto, or we can change the print range. So we can select all pages or specified pages right here. We can select the start page, the end page, and then after we change anything, as you guys can see, something like this. Now we can click on apply, and that's basically what we can do here. And this is how you guys can easily change those PDF details to match it to your preference. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.